Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I wish to Encik Adlan and Encik Wan. So today I will present about my final year project presentation with the title of Development of High Efficiency Watering System for Ritual Ablution. So without wasting any time, we go to project description. This is my project description. So my project is development of a portable ablution station to be used to Muslims and publics especially to perform their ablutions. So this project apply a new approach, which we use a mist system technique to perform ablutions. It is believed that the results that we managed to get is we could conserve 50% to 70% of water, which is likely more than 70 liters of water that can be saved in a month for a single user in performing their ablution activities. This is my project description. Okay, so this is the introduction. So this project consists of a combination of electrical and mechanical framework in applying mist system in delivering water to the consumer. So we use a high flow rate water pump in order to ensure a high pressure of water to be pumped inside the pipeline and transferred to the nozzle to perform mist to the user. Okay, so this is the objective of this project. It consists of three main objectives: to design a portable ablution station, which later I will show you in the demonstration, to develop and fabricate a portable ablution station. Also during demonstration I will show you, and to investigate the performance of portable ablution station. So to know the behavior of this station, I will show you in the results and analysis. Okay, so this is the problem statement for my project. It mainly consists of two problem statements here. So the first one would be a huge amount of water that is being wasted during ablution activity among the Muslims. Okay, so the next one would be a water shortage to a certain area or places or even states due to prolonged summer or due to pipe leaking, something like that. So because of that, we developed a portable ablution station that could be carried to any places, and at the same time it could conserve a huge amount of water for Muslims to perform their ablution. So this is the methodology of our project. Basically it consists of 6 phases. So the phase 1, we do a journal article review and site visit. We do some research and compare already in the market product and to the one that we want to develop. Basically in the market consists of a few products which cost only 5,000 to 600 to 6,000 basically in the market right now. So the next one, we move on to the second phases, which we do a hardware design and development using SolidWorks. We do a sketch and 3D design here in SolidWorks, and after that we have completed, we do a circuit design simulation in Proteus and programming using Arduino IDE, and we use Arduino R3 as their microcontroller here. After that, after we have done the simulation and programming, we integrate it with the framework and do some testing and troubleshooting. We go for the next phases, which is in phase 4. We do a field test back in our backyards due to current situation, due to COVID, and after that we do get some results in the field test. Okay, we move on to the next phase, which is phase 5. We analyze the results based on our early assumption and the output from the field test. Okay, we do some calculation to do some improvement in the near future, and last but not least, our report. So the flowchart, the next section, which is our result analysis. we mainly get four main results. The first one would be our water consumed in ablution process for single part. As you can see here, the blue line will be the conventional system that we usually use in performing ablution station. Okay, in performing ablution. Okay, sorry. And the orange line here is the mist system that is applied for ablution. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a huge amount of gap here, which indicate that amount of water that we could conserve when using mist system here. So the next one will be the mist system versus conventional system here. We have two colors here, the orange and the blue one. The orange one will be the system water. System water is water that is used only for ablution, such as washing face, hands, head and foot, both feet, sorry. And the blue bar is a processed water. Processed water is the water that is wasted during the process, such as the transition from face to hand. So of course there is a water that is wasted to the ground, right? So that is considered to be processed water. Okay, so based on these results, we calculate that mist system have a higher efficiency, which is equivalent to 60% compared to conventional system, which is only 48% of efficiency in performing ablution using that system. So next one would be a discharge graph for battery that we use as a backup power supply. So discharge graph here indicates 2.78 amperes of current used by water pump that we use right now. When we measure it, we only obtain 2.78 of ampere of current. Based on this discharge graph, the battery can be last long only 10 hours only. So because of that, we do some calculation to downgrade pump that use a low power, but that can still give a same function here. After the calculation that we have done, we can use 4.85 watts of water pump, which is equivalent to 5 watts of water pump. Okay, so based on simple calculation, VIR, the amount of current that only will be used is 0.41 amperes of current, which could extend the usage of the battery up to 24 hours or a day to 30 hours. So this is my project features. It is foldable. Foldable can be kept inside the car and it can be carried to any places that we want. And next one, it is portable and user friendly. As you can see, we use a conventional mechanical ball valve to control the flow of water, and it is an easy setup, as low as 1 manpower to set up the water container, the water pipe and the water pump here. And it is a simple control mode. It is a on off button and one single selector switch. Okay, and last but not least, it is a low water output. We use a mist nozzle here to deliver water to the consumer. And last but not least, our conclusion, it can be said that this project is successfully managed to conserve the amount of water during ablution process. It hopes that it could give a positive impact to the community in conserving water in their daily life. And last but not least, this project is managed to achieve all of its objective to develop a portable ablution station, to fabricate it, and to analyze the behavior of the portable ablution stations. Okay, after this we will go to the project demonstration, and I think that's all from me for poster presentation. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is the prototype for portable ablution station. So let's go straight forward. So this is the control panel here. So this is the extend and the retract button here. The red one would be the reset button, and the toggle switch here would be a selector switch here will be the on off for pump, and this is the spare for speed control mode. But for now we not use the speed control mode. It is a spare only right now. Okay, so let's go straight. Okay, right now we will extend the prototype. Okay, so as you can see here, both linear actuator will expand. So this is the half assembly condition. Okay, so we have water container here. Inside we have a water pump and pipe. Okay, right now we have a full assembly condition here. As you can see, the water container and the pipe already attached to the system, and we fill up with a few of water and a water pump here, and already connected to the to the control box here. So we turn on the pump. So the pump is on, and you can hear the sound. So let's see what happened. So we have a miss. Cement goes to here, and here, so we can adjust it here. Depends. So as you can see, we can take a ablution from here only. Okay, so this is the portable ablution station. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.